first ball of the Punjab innings. Oh, that's beautifully bowled. Bang on target. With a little bit of pace. Goes back in his crease and clips it towards deep square leg. Picks up a single, goes to the other end. Uday Cole, for the moment, is safe.
So Punjab survive without a loss. 9 for none as day 2 comes to a close. 7 overs were bowled.
Nicely played, good timing. It's a very quick outfield. Will bring up the first boundary in this innings.
Well, they have to find out if he did play that ball. It's running down and then crosses the rope teasingly. Oh, brilliant square drive.
Oh, drifts down the leg side and nicely clipped away by Jeevan Jot. Nicely put away by Jeevan Jot. Just played the ball as late as he could and just tapped it towards the vacant third man region. Nice shot to get a boundary. Beautiful shot. He just bisected that field correctly. Uday Cole on that occasion beat covers and it's a teaser for mid-off. And when he gets a little bit of room outside off stump, he punches that towards covers as well.
That's driven magnificently against the spin, but was in complete control of that shot.
तो पंजाब के बल्लेबाज भी इतनी आसानी से आपको विकेट नहीं देंगे और ये 6 गेंदें एक लाइन लेंथ पे पकड़ के डालना पार्ट टाइम गेंदबाजों के लिए इतना आसान नहीं रहेगा और उसका फायदा उठाया यहां उदय कौल ने. ये बाउंड्री तक जाएगी, थोड़ा सा रूम मिला यहां और उसका पूरा फायदा उठा लिया उदय कौल ने.
Gets to his half century in style. Quite a few drives this morning have been stunning from Uday Cole, but this will get him to the milestone.
That's a misfield, sloppy work. It's a very quick outfield and gets to the boundary. Before that, we have the tri-series as well. It's a glorious shot from Jeevan Jot. The allowance with the in-swing was given. He was nicely balanced and a wonderful strike to get to his half century.
Oh, hits this in front of square. A very good shot. Uses sweep now and again, Jeevan Jot, and to good effect this time.
That's cut away for 4.
Short and wide and neatly cut away by Uday Cole. Goes to the boundary. It's a teaser for the fielder. And another boundary taken by Uday Cole. It brings that deficit down to 362. Up in the air, and just as we were talking that these two are looking good, they've got a breakthrough. Rujul Bhatt, who is there for Gujarat? It's Rujul Bhatt again. And this time it's with the ball in his hand.
बेहतरीन पारी उदय कौल द्वारा 77 रन पे वापस जाते हुए पवेलियन.
Catch it is a call. Is that the one? Yes, he has given it. And it's the big one. Ramesh Pawar getting the first one for him.
Oh, great use of his feet. Comes out in an aggressive tone. And he goes deep over long off for 6. High and handsome as they get. Wonderful to watch. Drops it short, pulls it away, and the result is the same. Another boundary.
Excellent shot. That'll be 4.
Full toss and tucked away nicely.
सकारात्मक शॉट खेलने की कोशिश, ऊपरी किनारा लगा और आसान सा कैच पार्थिव पटेल के लिए. इस बार मिड विकेट के दिशा में स्वीप मारने की कोशिश नाकामयाब और एक बड़ा झटका पंजाब के लिए। तीसरा विकेट खोया पंजाब ने।
There's the release shot, and once he starts to middle those, he can be really devastating. Tarur Kohli now hitting it with the turn. The reverse sweep coming into play.
तो दोबारा स्वीप मारा है, इस बार नीचे रखने की कोशिश नहीं की, कोई फील्डर मौजूद नहीं, नतीजा एक और चौका।
Lighted delivery. Delightful shot on the offside now.
ये बढ़िया खेला है, जल्दी में नहीं थे शॉट खेलने के, आखिरी समय तक गेंद को अपने करीब आने दिया और आखिरी समय पे सिर्फ राह दिखा दी उस गेंद को। लीजिए, लग गया झटका। और यही बात अभी अमोल कर रहे थे कि अगर युवराज कल तक टिके रहे तो वो मनोरंजन करेंगे आपका, लेकिन ऐसा अफसोसजनक बात है कि ऐसा हो नहीं पाएगा, क्योंकि वो बड़ी विकेट जिसकी जरूरत थी गुजरात को वो आखिरकार मिल गई।
The third ball of Rujul Bhatt in this over. The ball spun and it's a very good catch at silly point by Mirai, Bhargav Mirai, the fielder. Never easy those catches. Came straight from the blade of Yuvraj Singh's bat. Kept his eyes on it, stayed low. Yuvraj Singh has to go for 14. It's 218 for 4. Punjab in a little bit of a problem.
ये बढ़िया खेला है, जल्दी में नहीं थे शॉट खेलने के, आखिरी समय तक गेंद को अपने करीब आने दिया और आखिरी समय पे सिर्फ राह दिखा दी उस गेंद को।
There's a big shot and a given. So Ladda, his short stay at the wicket comes to an end. Well, the night watchman.
Wide of the crease, pitches just straightens a little bit. Would have crashed into middle and leg stump. Ravi Subramaniam is an experienced umpire, is a good umpire, up with the finger. The second wicket there for Nilesh Chauhan. And the night watchman, Ladda, has to go back for 1. It's 221 for 5. Lovely strike, majestic shot that. Another very good shot, this time a lot straighter, and he doesn't bother running. He knows it's 4 right from the moment it left the bat. He slashed hard, catches the call. Again Panchal after that. The ball will win the race. Just open the face of the bat. There's nobody at third man, so Tarur Kohli will get a boundary. Third one for him. These are all important runs. Aggressive shot coming out straight away.
Oh, beautifully shot by Tarur Kohli. Magnificent shot. He's just coming to terms with his batting here. Tarur Kohli has showed a lot of patience.
That's cut away nicely. That should get to the boundary. And it does. Gurkirat, he's been very, very aggressive deep. Moves on to 39 of just 49 deliveries.
एक बार दोबारा बहुत ही बढ़िया प्रयोग स्वीप शॉट का, चौका लगा और साथ ही में अपना अर्धशतक पूरा किया तरुवर कोहली ने 51 पे बल्लेबाजी करते हुए.
It's been a good innings under pressure. It's come at a time when Punjab have needed him to get runs.
और ये विकेट निकाला चौहान ने. छठा झटका गुरकीरत सिंह मान का.
Well, you've got to say, along with it being a bad shot, it's an irresponsible shot. Had a good partnership going, and then you chuck it away. Especially when you're in such good form as a batsman. Been a good season for him so far. He's got 49 this innings, and Punjab are 304 for 6.
That's good batting, taking it on the full. He's looking for the foot marks. Nilesh Chauhan, but excellent batting this.
और लीजिए और कुछ रन जोड़ दीजिए. 48 रन दिए थे, उसमें 6 और जोड़िए, अब 54 रन दिए हैं इस स्पेल में। लाजवाब शॉट, बहुत बढ़िया कदमों का इस्तेमाल किया है यहां तरुवर कोहली ने।
Straight away down the track, good hit as well. Sounded brilliant right from the middle of the bat. Okera looking to attack. Another excellent shot. Good use of the feet and getting beside the ball. And because he got to the pitch, he was able to hit it along the ground. There's something onto it. Yep, bat pad. What a cricketer this guy is turning out to be. Rujul Butt 150 with the bat, and every time he gets a spell to bowl, he picks up important wickets.
20 रन बनाए गीतांश खेरा ने, 7वां विकेट पंजाब ने खोया 339 पे।
That could be close and he's gone. Absolutely no doubt in the umpire's mind. And this is how he got Siddharth Kaul out. This is a bit of air. Oh, what the umpire had to judge was how much would the ball have turned after pitching. He obviously felt not too much, and Siddharth Kaul goes for 4, is 350 for 8.
Oh, he smashes that one. It's no mid-wicket. The square leg being close. Took the chance and it pays.
That's cut away in the gap. Should be another boundary. Back-to-back boundaries. That's gone. Turn, bounce, spinning like a cobra. Taruvar Kohli's long vigil at the crease comes to an end.
And it carries. Taken at slip. It's a 5-wicket haul for Rujul Butt. And they fall short by 2 runs. Will the follow-on be enforced? Well, how much things have changed in this game of cricket. You expected nothing to happen. 2 boundaries scored, just 2 runs required, and the set batsman Taruvar Kohli falls. And the very next ball, out goes Sandeep Sharma with a hard defense, comfortably held at slip by Smith Patel. 5 for 44 for Rujul Butt, following 150, and now Gujarat sitting pretty as they throw Punjab to bat in a second time, enforcing the follow-on. Well, Jeevan Jot, Uday Kaul and Taruvar Kohli making 70s, and Gurkirat Singh Mann making 49, but in the end they have fallen short by 151 runs and could hence not avoid the follow-on. Gujarat's bowling effort revolving around the 3 spinners, all the 10 wickets falling to the spinners. Left-arm spinner Chauhan picking up 3 in his 40 overs, Pawar 2 in his 46, but the outstanding performer with the ball, Rujul Butt, just as he did with his batting, 5 for 44, and Punjab have been enforced the follow-on a second time in 2 matches in a row. So 362 they've been bowled out for, and they are 151 runs behind.